Baltimore City, known for so many things, including crime, riots, and a whole bunch of other bullshit. But really, to us car guys, Baltimore City is famous and notorious for our potholes. Now, for the second time in about a year, I have to replace my transmission because, you know, it was on coilovers, slammed to the ground, and I cracked the casing of it. So I'll show you guys what it looks like in a second, and we'll get started. There she is. There's my girl. All broken. Needs to be loved. Gonna replace this, hopefully. As you guys can see, pretty banged up under here. Got scratched and scratched. Downpipe, of course, you know, that's still fucked. So hopefully I can get this off and get out of here. Wheels off. Gotta take the axles out next. One axle out, ish. Trying to free the starter. Got it. Ooh, let's go. Progress. Now I'm about to do this section. It's the struggles of being a low boy. You want your car to be low, you want to drive in the city. It's the bullshit I gotta go through. Finally got everything unhooked, shifting cable. Everything else is essentially ready to go. Skylar's coming with the trans jack, so we can get this thing finally out and try to put the new thing in and hope everything goes the way it's supposed to. guess who forgot to get the Honda transmission fluid? This guy. So I don't think we'll be able to put it in today and test it out. Might have to come back tomorrow and see if I can make it happen like Captain Crunch. But the old trans is out. The new trans is essentially ready to go, as you can see right there. But can't put it in without the fluid, so we'll see. It's the next day. I have the right fluid, and we're gonna try to do this the right way. Hopefully. It's so fucking difficult. Pay no attention to the fact that I have on a different shirt because it's the third day, because I lied the second one, the second day. We were almost finished, but shop had to close. And the moment of truth. Yeah, I'm ready. It screeches like that every time. Let's go ahead.
Put fluid in it?
Yeah, I put fluid in it. Are you pressing the gas? It's moving. That's reverse. That's forward. Go reverse again. It makes me think my mounts are bad. Just the way it's moving. But it's driving. This is a win. This is a win. It's not an absolute win, but it's a win because it's doing what it didn't do before it came in here. Yeah, this one right here, on this mount right here, is moving a lot. And therein lies the problem. Not that it's missing, but that seems to be stripped. So, well. I think that's as good as the tranny is gonna get for a while. But you know, it starts, it drives, it goes in reverse, goes 1, 2, 3, 4, goes into neutral, and that's what we wanted. I might have some trans mounts that are going bad, so I might have to change those, but that was the adventure of changing my transmission. So hopefully I don't have to do it again. Baltimore City, I hate you. You got it, buddy. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Every like, comment, share, and subscribe really matters. It means a lot to me. I appreciate each and every one of you. Something you want me to change, repair, replace next, leave a comment below. Let me know how I did. Yeah, I appreciate you guys. Thank you. See you next time.